How you doing, everybody? It's Justin. I'm back. I went out and I got some supplies to try to refinish this stock, and here's what we're going to use. I got citrus strip. I guess that's how you say it. It's good for there's like no odor. You can use it. It's safer for indoor use. No harsh fumes, which is nice because I'm down in my basement and I don't want my wife and kid upstairs, getting gassed out from fumes. I got some foam brushes. I don't know if I'm going to use them to put this stripper on, or I might try it. I don't know if it'll eat the brush up or not, but more than likely I'll just use some paper towels. I got some super fine steel wool to go in between coats and just try to smooth everything up. Got some rubber gloves and a tack cloth. Also got my stain, which is driftwood, and some clear gloss. Alright, so I gotta speak up a little bit because the dryer's on, the dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on, and I'm gonna try out this citrus strip. I've watched a couple videos, everybody's using it. They say it works good, so we'll see here. Alright, it's been about half hour. It looks like it bubbled up pretty good. I got an old credit card. I'm gonna try to scrape it off, see what happens. Well, it worked pretty good. The stuff worked. I put it on 2 coats, and it come off really easy. And I had a couple stubborn spots, but this literally will not come out with that stripper. And I don't know if it's part of the wood or what, but over here it's got this dark. I'm not real sure what this is, but it doesn't look terrible. Maybe want some colors on it, some stain. But for the most part, most of it come off. A little dark on this side, but like I said, I put coat after coat on it and nothing else is coming off, so I'm assuming it's the wood. But I'm okay with it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try this stain on this. I ain't never done it before. I'm just going to follow the directions on the can and hope for the best. So I'll bring it with me and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, let's see. Alright, well, I thought I was recording whenever I put my first coat of clear on, and I was just going to bring you back once I was done, but I wasn't recording. I must not hit the record button. So, anyway, here's how this turned out. It turned out pretty good. Got a nice shine to it. I just took some 2000 grit wet sandpaper after I got my last coat of clear on. I took it and I waxed it, wet sanded it, and I waxed it, and it got a pretty nice shine to it. So I'm pretty happy with it. But now I'm gonna get ready and try to clean this barrel up. It's not actually terrible. It's just got some surface rust, like right in there. You can see it a little bit. So I'm just going to clean this thing up a little bit and get it put back together, and I'll bring you guys with me here. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you would. I appreciate every one of you.